Hola y bienvenida a Panama. We are in Sortis Hotel, Spa, and Casino, and this is a little room tour that I want to give you all if you are planning a trip to Panama. Sortis Hotel is in downtown Panama City. And take a look at this. If you're interested in tea, coffee, I don't know if these waters are free. I'm gonna ask later, so I'm gonna put it in the description if they are. But this is a lot of room. It looks like if you maybe brought snacks or something, you could put it here, but there is a fridge if you would like to put some drinks or a little bit of food in there. It's not too big, but it'll probably get the job done. Look at how spacious. This is one of their classic king rooms, but the room is pretty sizable. I love all the light that they got in here. They got some type of Bluetooth, it looks like, right here. Some controls for the lamp. Very nice bed. I actually really love their artwork that they have in here. Really unique. And then a little bit of seating over by the window. I was told that it's a smart TV, so that's nice. Hey guys. But just lots and lots of space for you to put your belongings. I'm thinking so that you could feel right at home, which I like. Many mirrors for you to check yourself out every day. Make sure your fit is all nice. More storage space. I actually love the fact that they actually have a little bag so that you can put the trash in. I know a lot of places don't have that, but I guess it does make sense since that could be costly for hotels. One of the restaurants that they do have, which is very nice, look at that, open 24 hours, which is so clutch. They got room service, very convenient. And this is the view that I have from my hotel room. Pretty nice, huh? And down below, look at that. I cannot wait to go to the pool, okay? Very, very nice. It's giving luxury, it's giving resort for sure. Okay. Yeah, this is very, very nice. I'm liking it so far. I know I was told that I may be able to change rooms a little bit later tomorrow evening, but I don't even know if I will. We'll see. They do have a nice robe that I am most definitely going to be getting in at some point while I am relaxing. And here is the bathroom. I'm really impressed by the bathroom. They got the face soap. I'm so happy they got the shower cap. I don't even think I brought mine actually. They have, yep, they got the hair dryer. And please look at the shower. I love all the room in the shower. So nice. And then they have body wash, cream rinse, hair wash. Pretty nice. I've never been in a bathroom like this or a shower, but I'm gonna let you know how it is. This is Sortis Hotel, Spa, and Casino. If you want to do a little gambling, if you want to go to the spa, I will also be highlighting that on my channel. But here is a nice room tour for you for their classic king room. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Until we meet again, peace.